Hello guys, I'm Ivor. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the wishful thinking transition. Let's go.
Wishful thinking, tell us shut up, but I'm not thinking
And the only app that you need is TikTok app. And like almost all the transitions, you start with plain clothes and ugly, no makeup face, and then you transit with this kind of outfit. For a good head start, please check out the transition tutorials that I made earlier, Now open up your TikTok app and use the wishful thinking sound, set it on timer and set the duration where it stops at 7.3 seconds because that's when the first beat hits. When the beat goes ta ta ta, you gotta do left elbow, right elbow and put both of your arms up in the air upwards, get it?
what I want, say what they want you to say. Like I can pretend that I don't wanna and I'm afraid.
And we got it. Alright, now change it to your nice ass outfits, okay? Drip drip. For the next scene, put the speed on 3 times. Now put it on timer and set the duration to 7.6 because we only need 3 seconds. Now get the clothes that you wore in the first scene and leave it hanging in the center, and when you start, just pull it up. Okay, let's see whether the transition is smooth enough. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, remember when you lift your jacket, make sure your hands are out of the way. Now for the next scene, you guys can throw any garments from your outfits. You throw a hat or something. I chose to throw a headscarf. And set it on 3 times speed, set it on timer, set a duration for 3 seconds. It doesn't have to be exactly 3 seconds as long as it stops before. Tell myself I'm thinking. And just drop it like this. Remember, get your hands out of the way. And it'll look something like this. Now for the next scene, just put your scarf or your hat back on, and it really depends on where the object landed in the previous scene. In the previous scene, my scarf landed in the right bottom. So the next scene, I had to appear at the right bottom. So once you're done, it'll look something like that. Your jacket will fly away and you just wait for the beat kicks in and your scarf will fly to the right bottom and you just magically appear from the bottom. Magic.
Say what they want you to say. Like I can pretend that I don't wanna and I'm afraid. Wishful thinking, tell myself that I'm not thinking
Okay, that's all I got for guys. If you have any questions, just leave comments down below. See what you get when you comment on my videos. You get a shout out. So thanks to Catherine and Clark. I love you guys for commenting. And if you want me to do any tutorials, just let me know. Comment down below and like or subscribe if you want to. See you next time. Take care.